Sheila and I just moved across the aisle to another one of her quilts, and I think you'll agree that this one is dramatically different from the one we just looked at. And I understand from having asked you a few questions that this is your very first art quilt?
Yes.
And what happened before that to get you to this point?
Many quilts for charity, and specific Project Lioness, which is how I started quilting in the first place. I'd never sewed before January 09.
You didn't sew before January 09?
No sewing,
okay.
No knitting, no these crafty things.
None of those crafty things. But
Yeah.
was there an art background before that?
Not a formal art training, but yes, I mean, I made this years ago.
Lovely.
I've painted, but I, just for myself, just because.
Right.
Not professionally.
Right.
But I just went on the President's Day of Service. There was a website up on right before the inauguration that had where you could go and find local charities in your neighborhood to go and work that day.
Wonderful.
Project Lioness came up.
Wonderful.
I went to go buy fabric to donate because I'd never sewed before. And then when I went there, they had a little table set up with freezer paper-backed fabric and markers for the kids.
Right.
And I sat there. I said, well, this I can do.
That's right.
And then I just started drawing, making blocks with the fabric markers.
Lovely.
Well, that next weekend was their regular get-together. And then a little voice, just intuition. The women were so nice. I got such a great feeling there that I went back. I just showed up with a bunch of fabric and no plan and didn't know what I was doing. And one woman helped me and showed me how to use the rotary cutter.
Right. Did you have a sewing machine at that point?
No.
Oh, okay. No sewing machine. Had never used a rotary cutter.
Yeah.
I hope this is inspiring you guys. Okay.
So I first borrowed one of my mom's old machines, and then I went and bought one of my own.
Right.
Maybe a few weeks after that, I just said, I need my own machine.
So it was an instant attraction.
It was because of when you think of charitable things, okay, you can give money, and that's important.
Yes.
But because I'm an artist and I like making things, this was so perfect for me, and I could put all my energy and love in these quilts that were going to who knows who.
Exactly.
For who knows what.
Exactly.
And that appeals to me.
Wonderful.
So it was a blessing. It's like, for me, this whole world has been a gift that was just happened because I listened to my little voice.
You listen to your heart?
Listen to my heart. And now I'm like, whoa. But I'm humble about it, and I'm enjoying every minute of it. And I'm connecting with so many great people. It's pretty amazing.
It is a wonderful world, isn't it?
It's a really one that you wouldn't know about.
I
didn't know about it.
A lot of people didn't or don't
No,
know
they
about
don't.
it. Right.
They don't.
But what you put into it, you get back, and you're learning that very quickly.
Yeah, and I know that about life. I mean, that's my feeling about everything. That's how I live my life.
Wonderful.
I like to, be able to do this. So anyway, 1 year, January, I'd been to my first show, which was Long Beach.
Oh, wonderful.
In 2009, and that's when I was like, what the heck? My head was spinning, I'm like, look at these beautiful quilts, these beautiful... I think one of Carol Breyer Fallard's quilts was there, and I looked, I'm like, what in the heck? Who knew that this existed? And then in January, I said, well, let me just see what comes out of me naturally, like, no plan. Let's just see what happens.
And this is what happened.
This is it.
The first art quilt.
Yes.
Sheila, you've done an amazing thing in a short period of time, and we are all looking forward to seeing what comes next.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. Thanks very much. I'm Sharon Peterson from Nine Patch Media for The Quilt Show.